Hey everyone, it's Dr. Michael Suzanne Parsons, founder of the Natural Path Health Center. And are you wondering, what was I looking at? This is an amino acid test results. Now, those diamonds should be in the middle of the green of each of those amino acids. And as you hopefully saw, she didn't have many in the normal range. The reason why I'm bringing this up is we had a question asked about ferritin. And ferritin is a protein that binds iron in the body. And for many people, their ferritin levels are too low. Yet their iron levels are normal, or they can actually start to get too high because the treatment is giving more iron. I want to see, why aren't you making something that the body is designed to make? And one of the places I start looking at is what's happening with the foundation in your body. If your foundation isn't solid, we can't affect the function of things. We have a solid foundation, then we can start to make changes elsewhere in the body. So for me to investigate this whole ferritin conundrum, then I might order an essential amino acid test. Now, essential amino acids are essential to the body because we cannot make them. We have to first eat the food, then we have to be able to digest the food, absorb it, and then the body knows what to do with all of those foundational building blocks. Making enzymes is another one. So if your ferritin is low and you've been taking iron and it's not coming up, essential amino acids is a good starting point to see what's the missing piece. Why isn't your body making it? Because it should, if it was in balance. So if this is you, come on in, don't wait. Just come on in, let's get to the root, let's start fixing the body so you can start to thrive and feel good. Bye.